Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find Azure in Heartopia. So as of now, the winter season has finally come to an end. And right now, Azure is actually here, right next to Dorothee's store. Completely different and new look. As you can see, this is her. And if you talk to Azure, you can still purchase these items here if you haven't done that. But you do need the snow maker thing. So if you didn't have that, unfortunately, you can't make it because you'll need these snowballs in order to do the hobby. But yeah, that's where Azure is. She will be just walking around here. So near Art Street as well. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!